Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a robot dog. Different one this time. So I would use a pencil if I was you to start with, and then you can rub out, and then you can go over with a felt tip if you like afterwards. So I'm going to show you one I've already done. I've done one, I sketched one on this paper here, and then I did it on the computer as well. So I'm going to shove that in front. There we go, then I can see it. Right, so let's have a look. I'll start with the jaw, because he's got a jig-jaggy jaw. I'm going to turn my page. So if you turn your page, it's comfy for your hand and you can see where you're going. So I'm going to do that. To go all the way around. I need to try and get it so it's level. So around there. I don't have to be perfect. I quite like it when it's not completely perfect because it looks better when it looks drawn. So I'm going to come down here and up and down, up, down and join to there. Okay, right, now we're going to draw the top of his head, which is going to come out all the way around and then connect to there. Okay, then the ears, a bit like leaves really, to do that. And then we're going to come round like that. And we're going to have the inside of the ear. So it's going to go like that. There we go. And then this side, I'll turn it so you can see, because I always put my hand on the way on these videos. There we go, that one. Same again, inside of the ear. Okay, right. Now, nose. Just a big nose like that. You can colour that in as well, maybe. Give it a bit of a colour in. A black nose. And then eyes. Right. I'm going to draw my eyes with a pencil. I'm going to cheat because I've done these before. And then I do the video and I botch it when we put the eyes on. I'm cheating today. There we go. Give them more or less level. You can actually get a ruler or something to make sure you've level. Oh, that's the thing as well. If you struggle and your hands quick on the paper, you can put something underneath like that just to make your hand move smoothly. So now I can draw around there. You can see my circles and draw around. Trying to make it neat, even though I've done a little bit of a wobbly eye there. Okay, and then we need the pupils. I'm putting mine inside a little bit so they're a little bit off centre. I should have done that one first so I could see. There we go. That's that. Now I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm going to leave that white and colour this. Like that. So he's got a nice shiny eye. So I'm going to do the same on this side. There we go. I'm going to colour this bit on the outside. Okay, it looks quite cute so far. Right, so collar, we'll put him a collar on. Like that. Maybe there. Now we're going to come round. Try and follow the line of the chin so it's parallel, but it's not that easy to do parallel. So I've said in other videos, parallel is like the same distance apart, like imagine a train track, they don't come in like that. So, tricky bit now. Actually, I'll draw the body first, then you can see. So I'm going to draw all the way around and connect to there. Now you might want to turn your page again here. So go all the way around. You could stop there and turn your page that way, then you can see. And connect to there, like that. And these little legs on. One line, two line. Same on that side. And then his feet. Big robot stomping feet there. I've actually done a cat one, which is a very similar to this, but with a different shaped head. Ears, I think, actually, not head. There's his stomping feet. Right, so the arms. Let's have a look. So I'm going to draw, this is going to be the connector for the arms. And then I'm going to have these wobbly bits so the arms can be flexible and move. So these are a bit like a Hoover or vacuum cleaner holes. It just helps his arms to move and bend. So there we go, there's those arms. And we're going to have a little join here for his little wrists. And then I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to try and draw a circle neat. But if you use a pencil, it makes it a bit easier. And then you can rub it out and draw over it. Or draw over it and rub it out. More like, what am I on about? So that's 2 circles. And we need fingers. There we go. Okay, and the same on this side. Okay, right, now I'm going to draw some small circles for toe beans. I love toe beans, especially kitten ones. There we go. My little puppy, you'll notice I've got no disturbance today on my other videos. Cheeky girls, oh, she can be proper cheeky, and she knocked a glass of water over on one of my videos. She's gone to daycare today. She stays at a daycare with a dog called Colonel Mustard. He's a gorgeous boy. And it's a hot, lovely sunny day for once in England, in the north of England. So they've got a paddling pool outside. How cute is that? She's brilliant, the lady who runs it. There we go. To do that, this is to make it look like an old-fashioned robot. These are just the pins to connect, because make it look old. It's been repaired on quite a few times. So I'm going to put one here. These are the repair plates, or sheets of metal where he's been damaged and repaired. I always start with that bit and then move away. You have one right in the corner. We can do that. Try and keep them same distance apart. It don't matter too much. As I said, I like it a little bit wonky sometimes. I have another plate there. So let's have a look. Start with a point. These are just the fastenings to hold them on. Just makes it look a bit more interesting. Right, so we need a couple of fastenings there to hold the hand onto the wrist, and then some for the fingers, and then hold the toe beans on. Okay, and the same on this one. 1, 2, and then 1, 2, here, there, and then hold the toe beans. Right, okay, I think we need some fastenings on the collar, so we're going to do one there, and then we're going to do one coming all the way along, like this. Meet up, that was lucky. Right, now I'm going to do some on the feet. There we go, same on this one. And also on the ears. My cat's outside, she wants a tea, I can hear her. She'll be shouting in a minute, cheeky girl. There we go. I have been today to a cat cafe in Sheffield. It was brilliant. It's called, if you live near Sheffield, it's called Tabby Tea's Cat Cafe. It's lovely, the staff are lovely. Well, not all the cats are lovely, one's a bit of a cheeky one. But he's lovely anyway. So, a bit cheeky, you've got to be careful if you stroke one of them. So there we go. There we have a dog robot. You can do yours better than mine if you use a pencil first. So I actually am 8 cats here now. Don't you dare knock that water off like your little doggy friend did. She's a cutie, the cat. She's a good girl. So I have actually a writer and an illustrator, and I have wrote some books about, most of my books are about pirates actually. But so this is the pirate Captain Cuthbert, who's bossy. He's greedy and a bit mean as well. Not very not the nicest of characters, but it's funny because he always gets his comeuppance. Now he gets his hands on a robot that will follow any command that he makes. So as you can imagine, so greedy and mean, it doesn't go quite very well. So here we go. This is the robot arriving by drone to his pirate ship. And then, there we go. And then, as you can see, brush my beard, clean my ship, bring me champagne. That should be grog. Surely pirates have grog, but he wants something expensive, I suppose. That's what that is. So it goes wrong. Okay. His commands get him into trouble. And he gets his comeuppance. Now this one's my favourite. This is my favourite of my books. It's not got pirate this time. It's called The Visitor, and it's coming of age. It's got aliens, robots, suspense, adventure. Yeah, so that's my favourite one. If you like E.T., you might like this one. If you're older and you've watched a series, there's the alien, called Stranger Things, I would imagine you would like this book as well. Or X-Files, so there's the robots. If you're an X-Files fan, which people older may like. So there's the robots. Now they're not always evil, they have just been come in the wrong hands there. So if they get in the right hands, they will be nice robots, follow nice commands. So there we go. That, I think, is the end of my video. So as I've said on other videos, I would love to see your pictures. I would like to post them on my page. I have my own page for my writing and illustrating. So send them along. Check out the description at the bottom for the links. So you can send me your videos, your drawings. And I'll post them on the page. And I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Take a look at the playlist. You'll find all sorts on my page. There's games and activities as well, and over 50 draw-alongs. So click on playlist and you'll find everything I've done. You'll also find some book trailers to my books if you fancy reading any of those. So thank you very much. Send in your pictures and see you next time.